Hey guys, Chromex HD here again, and I have another, I have an Airsoft unboxing. It's not a gun or anything, it's actually some gear that I just ordered, and I'm going to open it up and show you guys. This is one of two orders I just recently made. I made one on Airsoft GI and ShortyUSA, and this is the ShortyUSA one. Once I get my Airsoft GI one, I'll be doing a unboxing of that too. So, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so we have Condor shooting gloves, as you can see. Okay. Have my 1-point sling, Condor. Got some, I forget what kind of brand they are, but they're shooting glasses. Some packaging. Actually see brown. 1 second. Power Force shooting glasses. That's what these are. And then, yeah, 1-point Bungee sling. Also got a hydration pouch, an ACU camo. It is a Condor. Packing thing, who it was packed by, and I also have CO2 cartridges for the USP I'm getting, which is going to be, well, I'm getting it soon. So, CO2 cartridge. Let's see here. Well, basically that's it, guys. I'll do another unboxing when I get my other stuff, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.